Hello students, today we are going to study about chapter number 8 motion. In this chapter we shall first learn to describe the motion of objects along a straight line. We shall also learn to express such motions through simple equations and graphs. Later we shall discuss ways of describing circular motion. Motion. Change in position of an object with respect to a fixed position with time are called motion. Motion in a straight line. When a body moves along a straight line, that is x coordinate, it is known as one-dimensional motion or rectilinear motion of a particle. Types of motion in a straight line are two types, uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion. If a body covers equal distance in equal intervals of time in a straight line, then its motion is said to be uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. If a body covers unequal distance in given equal intervals of time, then its motion is said to be non-uniform motion. Measuring the rate of motion. One of the ways of measuring the rate of motion of an object is to find out the distance traveled by the object in unit time, as the distance is to displacement. So, speed is to velocity. The crucial difference between the two is that speed is a scalar and velocity is a vector quantity. Speed with direction. Velocity. Speed of an object moving in a definite direction. Vector quantity. Can be uniform or variable. When speed is variable, it is expressed as average velocity. SI unit meter per second. Rate of change of velocity. Acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity of a body. SI unit is meter per second square. Acceleration A is equal to V minus U upon T. Graphical representation of motion. Motion can be represented graphically by plotting displacement time graph and velocity time graph. Distance time graphs. Time is taken on x-axis and distance travel is taken on y-axis. Speed of a body is equal to slope of graph. For uniform speed, slope is inclined straight line. For non-uniform speed, slope is a curved line. For stationary body, slope is a straight line parallel to time axis. Velocity time graphs. Time is taken on x-axis and velocity is taken on y-axis. Acceleration of body is equal to slope of graph. Distance upon displacement is equal to area under the curve. For uniform acceleration motion, slope is a straight line. For non-uniform accelerated motion, slope is a curved line. Equation of motion by graphical method. When an object moves along a straight line with uniform acceleration, it is possible to relate its velocity, acceleration during motion, and the distance covered by it in a certain time interval by a set of equations known as the equations of motion. Velocity time relation, position time relation, and position velocity relation. These three equations can be derived by graphical method. Equation for velocity time relation. Consider the velocity time graph of an object that moves under uniform acceleration as shown in figure. It is first equation of motion. v is equal to u plus at, where u is the initial velocity of the object which moves with uniform acceleration a for time t, v is the final velocity, and s is the distance traveled by the object in time t. Equation for position time relation or second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Equation for position velocity relation or third equation of motion. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. Motion along circular path. A body moving with uniform speed along a circular path is said to be in uniform circular motion.